What's up, man? I'm back. So look, man, I just came from Atlanta, and I'm digging the scene, man. I like all the countryness slash Atlanta cityness, but I'm trying to stay somewhere with some acres. We found a house, submitted an offer, did an inspection on Tuesday, tomorrow. So it's going good. So I feel like I just want to say thank y'all, everybody that was, yeah, you got it, you're gonna get it. So this is an interesting property, man. The house is secluded in the woods. The phone still work. I'm gonna chop some trees down. Got a call, my bad. So the house is secluded, man, in the woods. Phone work. Got a lot of trees. Chop some trees down eventually. But you all see setup here soon. I'm making that a whole separate video on our family channel. We're trying to start the family channel like for real this time, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work because I have a channel. I'm gonna have two channels that'll be active. That has the home remodeling repair because it has unfinished basement, but it's framed. A lot of the electrical is done. I might have to do a little bit. I'm gonna have to do some plumbing. I'm gonna have to do some drywall work for sure, and some painting, floorboards, baseboards, flooring. And yeah, like I said, a little bit of electrical. Got some extra lights I want to put in. Some what did you call it? The lights that are in the wall, but in the ceiling. What is it called? Recessed lights. I want to do some of that. But anyway, I'm finna give you all an update on all the vehicles right now. So we got J-Rock C10. Say he cleaned his trans up. There we go. There you go. So got this and this going in here. Hopefully by tomorrow. I don't want to touch it while he's not here because if something break, he's liable. So I just say I'm gonna wait. All right. So on the big beast, man. I put this in my notes. I'm gonna order another light because somehow water got in it. The company's saying just reseal it, but I'm trying to tell them that the chrome is like destroyed inside. So can't charge customer for that. Like I tried to tell y'all. Some people would. Some people put a tax on top of what they already ordered for that purpose. But that's not me. Truck got its alarm and remote start. I literally just have to wait, let me take the key out. I'm plugging the factory horn to the alarm system, but that's one wire that I literally can't find. Literally one wire. So I got that wire, that's this brown one right here, and then this is the door trigger. Literally, the door trigger is in this door. So it's one wire I cannot find. And then right after that, I gotta program the this box right here, so you can use your phone, press unlock, lock on the phone, start, blah blah. But overall, man, the truck should be good, man. So with the exhaust, I just called again this morning. So I called last Monday. He said call back this Monday. Called today. He said he don't have it back yet, but he should have it back here in the next few days. So he said call back Wednesday. All right. So in this week, so I'm hoping that I can get the exhaust in and out, and then let's say possibly right after we can start doing some sanding on this bad baby. So with the paint, man, I'm trying to see because we doing a wrap, half wrap. So like from one of these lines or halfway through or something. We're doing matte gray. So the hood is gonna get painted black, but the wrap is gonna be on top of it. The current issues that I see is you got waves there on both sides. I don't know if the thing got hot or what happened. Bumpers coming off, got new bumpers that's getting painted to match. Same thing here. Some waves. But I'm gonna do the body work while it's still on the truck. because if I take it off and then the line's gone, then it's like not useful. So that's what's that. I got a whole bunch of little bitty stuff, like I gotta make some brackets for this brake hose. Nothing came with it. Literally a bunch of little stuff. As far as the wiring, everything's going good. I literally start the fuses in, wire the relay for the alternator and the amp rack, and we can be banging. But we don't have the front door speakers yet, and I don't think it's a rush. I kind of got like a month to finish the truck. Should be plenty of time. Literally exhaust, finish wiring, and paint it, and I'm done. I did everything else I could do. The brakes kind of sucky, so I contact the person not the person, but the shop who sells the kit, and they said pump the brakes 10 times, bleed them one more time, it should be good. But if not, contact us. The e-brake lines were too short because of the lift, so I'm not sure how we're gonna go about that, but they do have some extensions for it, and they are $200, man. I was like, damn, for some brake hose, for some brake lines, that's like expensive. But here's mine. Y'all seen it's back together, it's running. So today, hopefully, I'm trying to pull this baby out, drive it around to J-Rock Customs, and put these 5x5 spindles on with the heavy duty springs. Man, eventually I'm gonna get some big spindles, like say 3-4 inch spindles, because I'll show you all when I actually put it on, if I get a chance to put it on today. I'm gonna show you all what I'm talking about and what I don't want to happen. I'm ordering some G-body springs for the back. Possibly. I'm not gonna say I'm doing it for sure, possibly, because if I put 28 on here and it don't sit, well, I actually have to wait till I put the music in, because I'm gonna have more weight. So I just wait, because if I put the springs in and then put the music in and then the trunk, drag that boy down to the floor, it's not gonna be pretty. But the LS weighs a whole lot less than the small block, so well, it's on jack stand still, but it's sitting like level-ish, and then the front initially was dragging down, so it's like level-ish. But once I get them springs on there, it should be a whole totally different look. All right, small block for nip. So what I threw the block away. The block was in the trunk of the CTS. I threw it away. So what I'm initially thinking is I should just put all the front accessories and change the water pump, which I do have the water pump around here somewhere. Boom. Think about just changing all the accessories and just put them on the front of there, because that way I'll have the AC bracket, which I don't want to drive that car while it's 100 degrees and no AC. So think about just swapping all the front accessories for now. But I mean, I really want that motor out of there, because it smokes a little bit, taps, which I haven't really looked into. It could be like a 10 minutes fix, but it don't really have no power in the smoke, so I don't really want to put it in there. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on the other two cars. Let me see. All right, over here. So here go a quick rundown. So y'all know my van needs some bottom end work, definitely. So I can still drive it, man, across the country. It just burns up a whole lot of oil. So when I actually move this, I'm gonna take a risk and put a car on the back of it, 50 miles an hour the whole way. And yeah, I got some rear airbags for the bounciness. Take that out, and then if I get a bigger YouTube check next month, I'm gonna put. So I'm not moving this first, so I'm coming back. So if I get a bigger YouTube check next month, I'm gonna put some front springs, shocks, and then some springs in the back to go with the airbags. So that'll be interesting. I might do a whole little vlog on that. But so when I actually take these, it's gonna be these two together. So we'll see how that turns out. All right, this van basically done, man. Let me see if I can show the inside a little bit. Probably not. Nah, man, it's too black, too dark. And the doors are locked, I'm sure. Yeah, so J-Rock actually got a whole bunch of interior done, a lot of the wiring done, all kind of stuff. So he got like literally 6 weeks to have this done and a boat. The boat is at his house. He's about to move, and yeah, so y'all see a lot of that. I think I'm gonna be the one uploading progress because he don't really use his channel. He say so. I guess I'll be keeping y'all in the loop with that. Now, this box Chevy, y'all seen in my last video, my little brother and my nephew, they wanted to try to learn how to do some body work, and they actually did this. Some sanding and priming, but nothing crazy went on, and somebody did something here, some flaw. This is some flaw stuff, man. They just smacked some Bondo. Yeah, somebody did some flaw stuff right here, man. They smacked some Bondo on top of a hole, seeing it smooth and call it a day, but it was cracking. And I was like, man, I'll show y'all how to tack weld some holes or something, but they actually left. So that's that. Here, somebody wanted to pick this up Friday, but I was gone. Like literally, I was in Atlanta on Friday night. So I was like, yeah, maybe next Friday. But I feel like this is the same guy, for y'all who've been watching for a long time, seen him on Instagram. But he had a 70s Cutlass, and he wanted to trade. I was like, all right. And I got there to see the car, man. The whole bottom of the car falling apart. Literally, he's like, yeah, it's fresh for paint. The paint good. Come and see it. Paint peeling, crackling all over the top. Literally, the car is like way off from what he said. But I feel like if we was able to meet, he wouldn't give me what I want. But he'd be like, hey, I'm already here, man. Like, come on, man. And I'd rather not have any problems. So I'd rather get my cash, and that's it. All right, 300, man. We haven't touched it so long, we got stuff going through it. I feel like the water is good around here, because that's the only way. I don't feel like I haven't touched it that long for this to be happening. But, oh my God. Wow. That's crazy. Well, glad we plugged the holes. JRC did that. A whole tree's growing through that bad, baby. So, like I said, I'm not trying to take this. Not trying to take this. Not trying to take this. Plus the cobalt. I'm actually about to drop the price on that, man. Just cut my loss. But if anybody contact me with less than what I posted for, it's just like, yeah, take to Chicago and use it for car when I come in town. I have to get any rentals or anything crazy. But yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to take this, not trying to take this, not trying to take that. So it'll be 1-2 trips right there. Truck, trailer, 2 box Chevys on there. That's the max weight. And then if I actually, J-Rock said he's gonna drive a U-Haul, so if I get this and put them 2 cars on there, I could put all my little smaller stuff in the smaller storage. Right now I'm paying literally about $490 for the shop, the storage, and the 2 parking spots. So I know I'm gonna have 1 parking spot at least. And then if I have some smaller stuff left over that can't fit in the U-Haul, I'll just throw it in a smaller unit and try to get it under $100, man, because I don't want to pay that much and I'm not here. And you know, it's just a ridiculous amount of money. All right, so my hood, thanks to Cat Loco, did a little trade cash deal, went pretty smooth. I cleaned this hood before I left. But this hood's possibly gonna go on my car in the next few days. The chrome trimming, man, it don't really be all that clean, so I just take it off. So I'm sanding this boy down, prime it, throw it on. Lancer, it's J-Rock's. He hadn't started on it, man. So that's that. The trailer, I'm gonna take somewhere to try to get it serviced before I try to throw it on the road and hope for the best. And then the CTS is going behind the U-Haul that I'm gonna drive, and that's like all the cars. So I'm trying to literally take like half. So one trip is gonna be the truck, the U-Haul. My wife can drive her own car, and that's that. And then when I come back, this is it. These 2. But if I still have these and they don't sell in the time that I need them to sell, which 300 I'm pretty sure it will. These 2 box Chevys, man, don't sell. Let's come back and get it. Because look, if I take a loss of, say if I want $1,800 for this, which I do, and it's not because of the way it looks. It's the motor's not coming in, which I'm about to probably take out today. Got the interior, dash, new carpet, like it's a whole bunch of new stuff in here. It'll have some newer tires, be road ready, man. I had somebody from Wichita contact me. It's like an hour plus drive. It's not that far. They asked me could it make it. I'm pretty sure you can make it. I actually drove this car a little bit, and it's the motor that's giving me the issues. But enough talking. I'm about to actually start getting some work in right now. But yeah, just keep y'all head on swivel, man. I want to say thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. That was an update, general update on what's going on. Man, I'm about to go ahead and get some work in right now. I'm actually in the house filling out some info, getting these shipping labels. Man, it's kind of hard to run a shop by yourself, but I didn't clearly talk about why I'm not trying to lose. So if I have one car, right, if I take 600 less than what I want on one car, and then 1,000 less on another car, and 800 less on another car, it's $2,400 I'm losing. For that price, I could literally ship all of them or come back and get all of them and take it to where I'm at and get my asking price. But do I really want to do all that? Not really. I'd rather just keep it there and then probably have J-Rock sell it for me or something like that. But we'll see how it play out, man. But if anybody interested in those 3 cars, just let me know.